Alright guys, this is the coin we're going to be working on this live. This is a 1 ounce fine silver round. It is produced by Silver Shield. They make really nice rounds. And we're going to be making this into a size 10 coin ring today. So if that sounds cool to you, make sure to tap the screen. And we're going to get started here in just a second. I want a couple more people to roll in before we get started. If you guys have any questions while I work on this, feel free to put them in the chat. And I'm going to go ahead and pin the link for my shop down here if you guys want to check that out while I work. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we got to do is punch a hole in the middle of our coin. So I'm going to get that all prepped up here. Get my camera set up. Being a little finicky today. And yeah, let's get going. I think this is going to make a really nice coin ring. It's been a while since I got to work on a 1 ounce silver round, so I'm pretty stoked about that. These always come out super huge. Really nice thick bands. I'll put a little bit of blue shop paper towel on each sides of it. That's going to help protect the detail as we punch the hole in it. Make sure it's on there pretty good. Looks good to me. We'll get our punch and just hammer this on through. All right, we got 300 people in here and 0 likes. So y'all make sure to tap the screen a little bit for me. Makes me feel good. Again, if anybody has any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. Let's go. I knew I was going to hit my phone. These 1 ounce rounds take a bit more of an upswing. Here we go. Beautiful. And there is our awesome skeleton pirate center punch, the Silver Shield design. Very nice. Let's see. Where did I put my bowl? Gotta have the little orange plastic bowl. Hey, we're about to hit 1,000 likes. Hell yeah, that's a lot better than 0. Thank you guys for tapping the screen. And again, I do encourage you guys to check out the shop. There should be a little gold chain at the bottom of the screen here that you can tap on. If you do find something on there you like, you can use the coupon code WELCOME. That'll save you 10%. And here is our coin so far. Now what we're going to do is clean up the inside edge right here. So you can see it's a little sharp, a little rough. We're going to smooth that out with our deburring tool. Snatch that up here. And we're just going to cut away that rough edge and make it nice and smooth. Thanks for the rose. I have to get a little more space between me and my phone here. Thank you for the rose, Eddie. Oh, a teddy bear. Cute. What is that? A high bear. I've never seen one of those before. Thanks. Little gummy bear dude. Very nice. Thanks for hitting the follow button, Tom. If you guys haven't hit the follow button yet, now's a good time to do it. There we go. What are we working on today? This is a 1 ounce fine silver Liberty or Death round from Silver Shield. Clean up that inside edge a little bit with some steel wool. Ooh. It's been a while since I've done a 1 ounce round. Thanks for following, Christopher. We really want that inside edge to be nice and smooth. I don't know why my camera keeps switching like that. Thanks for the heart. Wow, that's 3 gifts in like 2 minutes. Thank you guys. I usually don't get very many gifts, so I do appreciate it. All right, the next step here is to anneal the coin. So we're gonna hit it with some fire. It's gonna help soften it up, make it less brittle. Oh, another little gummy bear. Thank you. So for custom orders, I've taken a little bit of a break. I do have 1922 peace dollars available on my website. So if you'd like to get a ring made as kind of like a token of the coin, I can do that. But I'm not currently working on customers' coins at the moment. Yeah, there should be a gold chain down here, or you can go through the link in my profile. You guys can also take a quick screenshot of this card right here. It's going to have a 10% off coupon code on it and my website, so it's really easy to find later on. And here is how our coin is looking so far. Couldn't ask for more. That looks really nice. So we're going to go ahead and start folding this. For that, we're going to head over to the 1-ton arbor press over here. So let me get my phone set up, and we'll keep on trucking. If anybody has any questions while I'm working, feel free to ask. Gonna pop this on the doming block here. Our folding ball and give that a nice first fold. I'm going to move my coffee so I don't knock it over. Man, that camera just keeps jumping. I wonder if there's like a setting on my phone where I can make it stop doing that. Anybody know? It's really annoying. I'm trying to show you something over here and it jumps over there, and I move and it comes back. It's like, oh, look how nice and crisp, and then it's like fuzzy to the side. Super annoying. I usually use a half-inch punch unless the customer asks very nicely for something else, or it's like a really small coin, like dimes, I use 3/8, but from quarters all the way up to 1 ounce rounds, I usually use a 1/2 inch punch. That's what I'm really comfortable with. I found that allows for a wider range of sizes. Yeah, it's switching cameras. Super dumb. That's looking really good so far. Hey, there's bound to be a way to make it stop doing that. Yeah, no problem. If anybody else has any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. Today we're working on a 1 ounce fine silver Liberty or Death round. We're going to make this into a size 10 ring. We've got that folded pretty well. So I'm going to go ahead and anneal it again. On the dollars, they come out about this thick. So let me get a caliper. Just had one yesterday. So this one right here is a Morgan. It's gonna be the same size as the piece dollar. And it looks like that's just under 14 millimeters, 13.9 millimeters for the dollars. And since we got it out, we'll go ahead and measure the half dollars. They're 8.7, and quarters are 5.3. It's just a little over 5. Yeah. See, this is a Morgan dollar. I ended up messing up the head side of it, so a friend of mine recommended I just smooth it out. I actually really like the look of it. So right now, I have quite a few 1964 quarters in stock. I'm not accepting customer coin, like custom orders at this time. There's just a lot logistically that makes that more difficult than working on coins I already have in stock. Mostly in case something like this happens where the coin gets